Welcome back. So I got 2 trays. We're gonna open them, unmold them, and see what we're hitting for. Let me come around, and we're gonna start with this one because I think it's the first one that I did. These are 2 custom requests, essentially remakes, but we're working on a thing, so ooh, okay, yeah. All right, so obviously we're gonna have to go over this with another layer of resin, but other than that, everything looks like there's a couple what you call it here, but we can fix that quickly. But yeah. Okay, let's see what the second one's hitting for. I've been trying to see if putting a layer of resin between the sticker or image or whatever and the mold will make for better, like, to avoid having to do another layer, but it doesn't look like that's working because see, air bubbles. So might go back to doing it how I was doing it before. I was just trying something different, and this looks gorge. Yeah. Okay, same thing here. The air bubbles we were talking about. I'm gonna have to do another layer, but both of these came out really good. Like, the positioning is really what I'm most concerned about for these, because I want to ensure that we can get the full top and bottom of the logo, and left and right the full logo. You feel me? And we have succeeded at that, so that's really a win. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another layer, and within a day or 2 this should be ready to go. But yeah, 2 more private astronaut trays, and I'm really excited about how these came out because they look basically how I imagined in my head when the request was made for like a smoky gray look and like a smoky reddish look. So yeah, I'll obviously post videos, pictures or whatever at the end of this so you can see how it looks once it's done. And yeah, just like everything else here, Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates. Whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.